Good morning, everyone. I am Canandre Develos from Group 7, and I will be reporting the National Capital Region and Southern Luzon. Our objectives in this reporting is number one, to identify and differentiate the regions of the Southern Tagalog and Bicol region. Number two, to identify the land formation of the regions of the Southern Tagalog and Bicol region. Number three, to identify the water formation of the regions of the Southern Tagalog and Bicol region. The Southern Tagalog, or also known as the Southwestern Luzon, is composed of the regions Aurora, Batangas, Cavite, Laguna, Marinduque, Occidental Mindoro, Oriental Mindoro, Palawan, Quezon, Rizal, and lastly, Romblon. In this slide, we can see the map of Southern Tagalog or Southwestern Luzon. As you have noticed, Aurora Province is located in the southern part of the region, while the Palawan is located in the western part of the region. Moving forward, let us know the physical setting of the southern Tagalog. Number 1. Alluvial lowland. This landscape type includes flat landscapes of lowland river valleys associated with alluvial soils. It is characterized by a regular pattern of medium-sized hedge fields with permanent pasture and arable cropping. Number 2. Volcanic upland. Volcanic uplands are landforms created by volcanic activity. They generally have steep sides with slopes that are covered in jagged rocks, ash, and lava. And lastly, number 3, mountain range. A mountain range is a group or chain of mountains that are close together, usually forming a continuous line. It can also refer to a series of hills or other landforms of a similar nature. And now, let us discuss the geological features and water forms of southern Tagalog region. First, we have Laguna de Bay. Laguna de Bay is the largest lake in the Philippines and has an area of about 890 square kilometers, and it is believed to have once been connected to Manila Bay. Laguna de Bay is characterized as a lake basin and is surrounded by low-lying plains, which form part of alluvial lowland. The water of Laguna de Bay is 1 meter higher than Manila Bay and is being drained by the Pasig River, which empties into the Manila Bay. Southward from Laguna de Bay stand several volcanic peaks, which characterize the region as a volcanic upland consisting essentially of a tough covered plain. Next is Taal Lake. Taal Lake is a freshwater lake in the province of Batangas. It is the second largest lake in the country. The lake fills Taal Caldera, a large volcanic caldera formed by very large eruptions between 500,000 and 100,000 years ago. It is part of Taal Volcano Island, a complex volcano that includes an island near the middle of the lake. The lake has a total area of about 250 square kilometer and a maximum depth of 63 meters. Moving forward, we can see the Sierra Madre mountain range. Sierra Madre mountain range is the longest mountain range in the Philippines, stretching from the northern tip of Luzon to the southern end of the Mindanao. It is home to rich and diverse array of flora and fauna. Next is the Taal volcano. The Taal volcano is known as the Vesuvius of the Philippines. The Taal volcano is the second most active volcano in the century. It is also a complex volcano containing multiple craters on Volcano Island, with its main crater located on the east side of the island. This volcano is part of the larger Taal caldera, which is one of the most active calderas in the Philippines. The other volcanoes that can be found in the region includes the following: Mount Banahaw, linking Laguna to Quezon Province; Mount Makiling between Laguna and Batangas Province; Mount Maleponyo in Quezon and Batangas Province; Mount Cristobal in Laguna to Quezon Province; Mount Batulao in Batangas to Cavite Province; and lastly, Mount Malindig in Marinduque Province. The southern Tagalog region is considered as an agricultural region. Why do you say? Due to its geology, characterized by rolling hills, volcanic mountains, and river valleys, which contribute to the region's agricultural potential. Rice, coconut, sugarcane, bananas, abaca, coffee, and citrus are the principal crops in this region. While it is considered as an agricultural region, the southern Tagalog region is also rich in minerals. The minerals that can be found in southern Tagalog region are the following: chromite, magnetite, gold, copper, iron, lead, silver, nickel, manganese, antimony, zinc, iron pyrite, molybdenum, sphalerite, and calcite. Now that we're done explaining the southern Tagalog region, let us proceed in the Bicol region. The Bicol region. The Bicol region is located in the southeastern portion of the island of Luzon in the Philippines. The Bicol region plain is a low-lying area. The Bicol region is composed of the provinces Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, Albay, including the islands of Catanduanes and Masbate. Bicol is a home to a number of geological features, including the Bicol Volcanic Arc, the Mayon Volcano, the Caramoan Peninsula, the Sorsogon Volcanic Chain, and the Catanduanes Island Arc. In this slide, we can see the map of Bicol region. Now let us move on the geological features and landforms of the Bicol region. First is the Bicol Volcanic Arc. The Bicol Volcanic Arc is an area of intense tectonic and volcanic activity, and it is home to several active volcanoes including Mayon, Bulusan, Iriga, and Isarog. Next is the Sorsogon Volcanic Chain. The Sorsogon Volcanic Chain is located within the Bicol Volcanic Arc and is in the province of Sorsogon. It is an area of volcanic activity and is home to several active volcanoes consisting Masaraga, Malinaw, Baco, at Lignon. The Caramoan Peninsula. The Caramoan Peninsula is located in the province of Camarines Sur. It is an area of rugged limestone cliffs and tropical forest. It is known for its pristine beaches, limestone cliffs, and surrounding islands. Following the Caramoan Peninsula is the Catanduanes Island Arc. The Catanduanes Island Arc is an arc-shaped chain of islands formed by the convergence of two tectonic plates, the Philippine Sea Plate and the Eurasian Plate. It is made up of 9 islands, including the main island of Catanduanes, and is the easternmost point of the Philippines. The island arc is composed of volcanic rocks, such as andesite and basalt, and sedimentary rocks such as limestone and shale. Its formation is believed to have started some 8 million years ago and has been shaped by the action of tectonic forces, earthquakes, and volcanic activity. Next is the Lake Bato and Lake Booth. Lake Bato is located in the province of Camarines Sur in the Philippines. It is the largest lake in the Bicol region, covering an area of 10,500 hectares. The next is Lake Buhi. The Lake Buhi is located in the same province of Camarines Sur. It is the second largest lake in the Bicol region, covering an area of 2,000 hectares. Lake Bato and Lake Buhi are believed to have been formed when eruptions from Mount Isarog caused the surrounding area to collapse. The lakes are estimated to be around 10,000 years old. The area around both lakes is composed of volcanic rocks, mud, and ash. Next is the Mayon volcano. The Mayon volcano is located in the province of Albay and is the highest among the peaks with an elevation of 2,430 meters. It is the most active volcano in the region and is considered to be one of the most perfect cones in the world. It is characterized by its steep, symmetrical cone that is considered to be the perfect cone due to its almost perfect conical shape. It is also recognized as the most active volcano in the Philippines, having erupted over 50 times in the past 400 years. The other geological features under Bicol volcanic arc and Sorsogon volcanic chains are the following. First, the Mount Bulusan. Second, the Mount Iriga. Third, the Mount Isarog. Fourth, the Mount Masaraga. Fifth, the Mount Malinaw. Sixth, the Mount Baco. And lastly, the Mount Lignion. Minerals that are in the vicinity of the Bicol region are the following. First, chromite. Second, nickel. Third, gold. Fourth, copper. Fifth, iron. And sixth, manganese. And lastly, let us discuss the geological features found in Australia and Oceania. Uluru. Uluru is a sandstone rock formation located in the Northern Territory of Australia, in the geographical center of the continent. It is also known as the Ayers Rock and is important sacred site for the Aboriginal people of the area. Uluru is made up of two different sandstone layers that have been slowly eroding over the years. The sandstone layers were formed by wind and waters from the Great Diving Range, which is the most expensive mountain range in Australia. Uluru is 348 meters high and has a circumference of 9.4 kilometers. It is thought to be around 550 million years ago. Next is the Lord Howe Island. The Lord Howe Island is a small island located off the coast of New South Wales. It is known for its stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and lush vegetation. Next is the Macquarie Island. Macquarie Island is a remote sub-Antarctic island located in the southern Indian Ocean. It is located about halfway between Australia and Antarctica and is the southernmost landmass of the Australian continent. Next is the New Caledonia. The New Caledonia is located in the South Pacific Ocean, east of Australia and south of the equator. Moving on, the Fijian Islands. The Fijian Islands are located in the South Pacific Ocean and are part of the Melanesian archipelago. The main island, Viti, Levu, is the most populous and contains the capital, Suva. The other major islands in the archipelago are Vanua, Levu, Tavioni, and Kadavu. The islands are known for their stunning beaches, lush rainforest, and vibrant coral reefs. The Kakadu National Park. The Kakadu National Park is located in the Northern Territory of Australia and is the largest national park in Australia. It covers an area about 19,804 kilometers squared and is also home to numerous Aboriginal sites, including rock art galleries and rock shelters, as well as archaeological sites that date back more than 40,000 years. Following the Daintree Rainforest. The Daintree Rainforest is a tropical rainforest located in far north Queensland, Australia, that covers an area approximately 1,200 square kilometers. It is the largest continuous area of tropical rainforest in Australia and one of the most biodiverse areas in the world. The 12 Apostles. The 12 Apostles is a collection of limestone stacks off the shore of the Port Campbell National Park in Victoria, Australia. The site was originally called the Sow and Piglets until 1922, when the name was changed to the 12 Apostles, reflecting the number of limestone stacks in the area. The stocks are the result of million years of erosion of the limestone cliffs of the mainland and the constant pounding of the Southern Ocean. The tallest apostle is approximately 45 meters high, with the others varying in height between 2 to 10 meters. The Great Australian Bight. The Great Australian Bight. The Great Australian Bight is large, shallow, open bay in the Indian Ocean that indents western and South Australia's southern coast. The open bay covers an area of approximately 45,926 square kilometers with its depth ranging from 15 to 600 meters. The bight forms a portion of the Great Australian Bight Marine Park. Next, the Blue Mountains. The Blue Mountains is a rugged region in the Australian state of New South Wales. It is located about 800 kilometers west of Sydney and is bounded by the Nepean and Hawkesbury rivers in the east, the Cokes River and Lake Burragurang to the west and south, and the Wolgan and Kola rivers to the north. There are a number of towns and villages located in Blue Mountains, including Katoomba, Leora, Black Health, and Wentworth Falls. Lastly is the Outback. The outback is an Australia's rugged and remote interior, where landscape range from deserts to mountain range to vast plains. There are numerous landforms in the outback, including the sand dunes, mesas, gorges, sandstone cliffs, tablelands, and salt lakes. The landforms are shaped by a variety of processes, including wind erosion, flooding, and tectonic activity. And that's all my report. Thank you and study well.